When painting aluminium and heavy Ethernite, we use polyester-based heat-hardened wet paint. There are several reasons that we have selected this type of paint rather than powder paint or car paint. The paint has been developed particularly for Modulex. In a cooperation between the paint producer, the oven producer, the UV ink producer and Modulex, a dedicated paint has been developed for Modulex. The paint is hardened completely when leaving the hardening process, and it is ready for further processing or packing. The paint gives off no VOC and is immediately ready for installation in office environments, etc. The surface is very delicate and is undisturbed, no cellulite effect at all. The colours are very hard and have a long outdoor lifetime. The paint is UV stable and strongly repellent to other external impact such as pollution and graffiti. The adherence to the panel is extremely strong. The elasticity of the paint is high, allowing us to bend the aluminium after painting, which we utilise on the Pacific and Messenger interior products. The paint is adapted to our UV hardening print-on panel texting technology, which means that also between the paint and the print we achieve an adherence so strong that the print-on panel decoration will stand the bending of the Pacific and Messenger interior panels. With wet paint, we are able to mix the requested colour to match the customer's demands, and we are not limited by NCS or RAL colour systems. For quality control of our colour match, we use a spectrometer. We manage the gloss of the paint ourselves, and we offer gloss factor 50 and gloss factor 15. With our recipe system, we are always able to match previously produced orders. Today we have more than 3,000 colours in our recipe system. We have a master for each colour, allowing us to compare a new batch of paint with the master. The paint does not harden until it has reached a very high temperature. During the hardening process, we typically reach a temperature of 185 degrees Celsius. Surplus paint can therefore be stored again until the next order in the same colour. Even after several years of storage, the paint is fully ready for production. Even the viscosity remains perfect. Waste in the painting process is therefore very low. This does, however, mean that we cannot paint acrylic, ACM, Foamolux or other types of material that cannot stand at least 150 degrees Celsius. We cannot paint items that are larger than 1500 by 3000 mm and pipes and legs longer than 3200 mm. The items must be able to go through our pre-treatment process and our hardening process. The adherence of paint and its elasticity are tested in 3 ways. 1. Scratch test. 2. Ball test. And 3. Bending test.